Hello my loves, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, today we're going to be talking about stickers and how I store my stickers. Now, I was going to be rearranging my sticker collection a little bit because I kind of have some empty spaces in my storage little booklet here, and so I wanted to show you guys how I do it, how I collect them, how I put them in my little sticker book, and also just sit down and have a little of a chat with you guys. So okay, so let's first talk about how I store my stickers because that's something that is obviously very important. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but I got rid of a lot of my crafting supplies. Literally like 80% of my stuff is gone. And a lot of the stuff that I kept, I have them in storage unit. I do have some stickers with me, and what I do is my regular stickers. Let's talk about regular stickers first. So my regular stickers, I keep them in this little container over here, okay? I try to minimize as much as I can. If you guys know, you know, I'm a sticker lover, crafter, supply lover, and so, I tend to have a lot of stuff that I probably would never in my entire life ever use. But I have here the stickers that I kind of go through every day. It's not really specific stickers, it's more like a combination of a little bit of everything. I have some sticker books in here. I got some stickers from like Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and just like a whole bunch of a combination of different stickers. I got this one at Five Below. So just a whole bunch of different kinds of stickers in here. Yeah, and I try to keep them in here because I'm trying my best to keep myself organized. I don't want to have too much of everything like I used to. I'm trying to be a little bit better with collecting stuff, and I'm trying to do my best to like not overwhelm myself with so much supplies that I eventually will never reach for them. So I'm trying to keep organized with my stickers, and for now this is what I'm using. I'm allowing myself to have 2 of these, and that will probably be like my limit of stickers that I can actually have. I have actually another box like this, which is actually empty, so it's a good thing, but it's there in case I need to put more stickers or in case I need to store more things. And that gives me a little bit of also a guideline of how much I can actually have. Okay, the special stickers, and I call them special because these are stickers that I have stored separately because to me they're like special. For me, they're special. So this one here is the flower booklet. This is a booklet that I got from Michael's years ago. I don't think they sell them anymore, but I'm sure you could get something similar that looks like this, perhaps maybe like Hobby Lobby or maybe Amazon or something like that. But I got these at Michael's. This particular sticker book is all about flowers. I also have to rearrange this one as well because I do have empty slots in here, but I'll just show you really quickly what it looks like. And it just looks like these beautiful, like gorgeous little petals and flowers. And I love having them like this so I can kind of see what I have. But as you can tell, this is empty. This is empty. A lot of these are missing because I've been using these a lot. And so I have to rearrange them. See, this is empty and this is empty. This is empty. I got to rearrange them again so that I could make use out of all these empty little slots that we have in here, okay? So that is what I'm going to be doing probably later on today. But what I want to do with you guys today is my gorgeous bakery stickers that I have here. This one is also a special sticker book. These are like fun like pastries and like milkshakes, cupcakes, just fun little sticker things that I just want to keep separate because I think these are so cute. They're so adorable. They're aesthetically pleasing, and I want to keep them handy so when I need to go for them, I already know where to go and look for them. So I try to keep these a little bit separate than the other stickers. As you can see, these are gorgeous. These are beautiful. I think we did a project using these. I think it was June's dashboard for something. I forgot what it was, but I have a video using these. So yeah, okay, so then so you have the idea. Yeah, look how gorgeous these are. I got these at Michael's, but look how pretty these are. Okay, so look at the cute little baby animals. How cute are those, right? So cute. So I love these. I think these are so cute. And so I keep them separately, okay? But we're going to be working with this. I have three of these little sticker books. We're going to work with this one. This is my most favorite sticker book of all time because obviously it has coffee related stuff, and you guys know me, I'm a coffee lover. And so I love this sticker book. This has all my coffee related stickers. As you can see here, they're just so absolutely gorgeous. Look at these stickers, how gorgeous they are. I just love them. Look at these cafes. They're just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful, okay? They're so gorgeous. I call these like my realistic stickers because they kind of look realistic. They kind of look real, right? But they're just absolutely gorgeous. But as you can tell, I have a lot of empty spaces. We're going to be working with the bakery stuff today, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how I store my bakery little sticker in here. I already have some already put in here. As you can see here, these are like just really fun bakery goodies. And so I have some empty slots here that I want to add. I also have these two that are empty. So we're going to do that together, okay? So I started already, but I'm going to kind of finish it with you guys so you can see how I store my beautiful stickers, and you can probably get an idea, okay? All right, so let's talk about these gorgeous stickers that are just absolutely adorable. These are baking kind of aesthetic looking stickers. There are a lot of like bread and a lot of bakery stuff in here. Super gorgeous, right? Mostly bread. So I wanted to actually continue this, and I have here some that are empty. So what I want to do is I have these two that are empty. So what I want to do is I want to add this here. I'm going to add these here, and I'm going to add these on the back. But I need to also put these in here as well. So what I'm going to do is we're going to turn this around, and I'm going to show you how I do this. This is so simple, okay? Very simple. Honestly, it is, but I figured it would be nice to show you. I use double-sided tape, and I just use a little tiny little piece of double-sided tape, and I just glue these down. Okay, my goal is to try to make these as visual as possible. So when I'm looking for something that's, you know, related to this image, I can see them and I can reach for them versus having them, you know, having them all bundled up that I can't really see what I have. So that's what I like to do with these particular stickers because they're just so gorgeous. They're so beautiful. And not only that, they're like really beautiful to look at. And so, you know, they're just beautiful. I got these stickers at, let me see, I think I got them at a long time ago. And I believe I purchased most of these stickers. I think it's called Temu. But you can get these in Amazon. I did see them in Amazon because obviously I'm like, okay, when I run out of these stickers, like, where am I going to get them, right? Because I don't shop there anymore. And so I'm like, okay. So I did go, and Amazon does carry a lot of these beautiful aesthetic looking stickers. So if you're looking to get something like this or similar to this, make sure you stop at Amazon and take a look and see. They have beautiful stickers. I will try and do my best to link some at the bottom of this video, but you know, do your homework. You can find them. Trust me, you can definitely find them. All right, so that's really all I do. I just glue the backing down, and I try to make use of all the space that I have available. And it's not going to be difficult. So when you need to peel these off, they're not going to be so hard to peel off. And it's not going to interfere with the backing of the sticker. So this is a nice way of keeping them all nicely organized. Now, because I do like to buy a lot of dupes, what I also would do sometimes is I would kind of sandwich these two together. Like, for example, this one, and I would probably do one side. Yeah, I can do this because this is already done. But I would probably do this one and this one, right? Making sure that it's only this side with the stickers, because you don't want to cover that. And then I would sandwich in here the extras that I have. I have done that in some of these. I'll show you before we leave. I'll show you. So we got this one done. We got this one done. We still have a little bit more space in here. So let's try to find the tiny ones that we can fit in here. And I can probably fit literally one more there. Okay. There you go. Okay. So these two are done. And I can do this one. I don't know another easy way of doing this. I try to like sell, there's some stickers that they sell out there that they're called like they have like a self adhesive in them. I tried to use that and it just really didn't work for me. I don't know, I didn't like it, and so I found that this is the easiest way for me to do this. Yeah, but there are actually sticker books out there that you can use that also are easy to kind of like peel off your stickers and then put them on, and you won't lose your sticky your stickiness to your sticker. But I don't like those. I tried them. I did try them, but I don't know. I just don't like the way they kind of work for me. I think for me this is a better, I'm a visual person, so I kind of like to see what I have, and I kind of like to have my own little system, because it makes my brain work better, you know. Okay, so now that I have these all kind of put together, I still have a few more here. Let's put them in here. Okay, so what I use for the background is literally these Project Life cards, and that's literally what I use. You can use scrap paper, you know, take your measurements of your little slot and then use a scrap paper, make a sample, and then you can use that to create your little background for your sticker book. Okay, so I'm going to put this in here, and you see how beautiful they look. It looks so beautiful. I love how they look. See that? It's gorgeous. And when you flip it around, you have this side as well. This one is empty, so we're going to add this one in here as well. There you go. And now it looks beautiful. Now I have some of these extra, so because I have two of these, I'm probably going to use them. I'm going to use them for tonight's spread anyway, because I have to use a bread sticker for today's spread, so I'll put those on the side. So that's what I do with my stickers, as you can see. Now if I had like tons of stickers, which I do have a lot of dupes, I'm not gonna lie, I do have a lot of dupes. Let me show you, for example, which ones. For example, I have a whole bunch of these that are dupes. So what I do is, to save myself some time, I do the front, I do the back, and then in between is where I put all the stickers that are associated with the, see in there, in between there are all the stickers that are associated. So it makes it easier for me. I still have to go through them, you know, but at least I keep them together as the group that it belongs with each other, and I don't get them mixed up, and I kind of have an idea of what's already in the middle of the sticker. is this one or this one. Yeah, and that's what I kind of do for the ones that I have dupes of, because I do have a lot of dupes. But that is how I keep these really beautiful, realistic stickers. I just love them. They make me so, so, so happy. I love working with them, especially in like scrapbooking, you know, spreads, or like junk journaling spreads. Just love them so much, okay? And I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour of my little book if you want. So that's the ones that we just finished doing. I have this one that I also bought a while ago. This is my favorite right now, the coffee ones. Oh my God. I love coffee stickers, guys, especially these kinds. These kind of like realistic coffee stickers. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Look how beautiful that looks. Look at this coffee. It makes me want to drink coffee. Well, actually, I have coffee here, so. Okay, and you see how the back here looks a little bit like out of whack? I'm going to have to fix that. Off camera, I'll fix that. And I'll try to do a short video showing you how it looks afterwards. I'm having the same issue with this one right here. As you can see here, I have so much of these, but I don't have them really organized correctly. So I will be doing that shortly as well. I'm not going to do that here on the camera because it's going to take too long, but you have the idea of how I kind of store them, so you have an understanding. But these are just gorgeous as well. These also are really, really fun, coffee inspired, and frappuccinos and really yummy desserts. So, so cute, right? These are just so adorable. So I'm going to actually do the same thing that we did with the bakery, the bread. We're going to do the same thing with this, okay? And that is literally how I store my stickers. Now, I have these that I also store in here, but because they're so hard to kind of see, I just keep them in a little package like this, and I just use this as a guideline of what's in the little pack. So I just place them in there like that. Made it easier for me to store them that way. And I like it because it fits in my little pocket. So that, to me, I kept these like that. These are all the same, but the image in the front is what gives me the idea of what's in the little pack. These I just got recently. These are book stickers. I also got to go back and do the same thing with this one. I have more space here, so I can kind of like spread them out so I can see the different kinds of flowers and different kinds of layouts of stickers that I have, so that I can use them. Yeah, and that is literally how I keep these beautiful realistic stickers that I absolutely love and I absolutely adore. So I just wanted to give you guys, look how pretty these are. Aren't these gorgeous? I love these purple ones. Let me show you. Look at that. They're so gorgeous. And because I have so many of them, again, I put them in the middle. See? Place them in the middle to make it easier. So that's a nice way of keeping them organized, and, you know, helps you know what you're looking for when you need them. Yeah? Perfect, yeah? All right. I hope that this helped, yeah? All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. I'm going to do a video, like a little short video showing you the outcome of what it looks like. I'm going to work on these pages right here. So make sure you come back and you can take a look and see how they look, the finished look to them, okay? I love you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.